Hi, I'm Nani from Human Design Tools, and welcome to the video about the root center in human design and how you can get more grounded in it, both in if you have a defined root center or an undefined or open root center. So the root center is a square. It's a square that it's at the very bottom of the human design chart when you're looking at it. And it's about adrenaline, stress, and it's a pressure center. So when you have a defined root center, you may have the ability to kind of handle stress actually quite well. You might be able to stay still when there's like all these challenges and pressure around you. But it can vary for everyone how they feel the pressure because it's dependent on what it's connected to, what channel or what center, like the spleen center, the sacral center, the emotional solar plexus center. The defined root center also has a pulse that goes on and off. So sometimes you feel like you're like adrenalized and sometimes you are totally off. So I think feeling more grounded in the defined root center has to do with when you're feeling totally off, like just taking care of yourself and nurturing yourself and accepting that this will pass, but you can't really easily push through that, or you'll maybe burn out your adrenals or just burn yourself out. When you have an open root center, you're gonna feel pressure. It's just part of what this is. So you might have a pressure to get things done to be free, which will cause you to have this to-do list that keeps going and going and going. And even though you take things off, it's not gonna end because you're gonna put more things on. So I actually have an open root center, and what I found that helps me a lot to be more grounded is to think like, what would be the worst thing that would happen if I don't do this today? And so then it helps me focus on my top priorities and just getting the things done that are important to me in that day, not just like finishing this to-do list that's actually never going to finish. And when you have an undefined root center, you can feel pressure from defined root center energy that's around you, so people with a defined root center, but they're not necessarily even going to be aware that they're putting pressure on you. So it's just an interesting dynamic and something to think about so that you can feel a little more grounded in the root center. And of course, the root center is, like helping you like root in to the ground or the energies. So the essential oils I recommend are ones like arbor vitae, myrrh, vetiver, frankincense, or other essential oils that will help you feel more grounded. And I think all the wood ones, as you can see there, wood is like trees are grounding. So essential oils that come from trees or bark will help you feel better or more grounded in this energy. You can learn more about the specific gates and other videos on my YouTube channel. So just check those out if you want to learn more. Hope you found a few tidbits from this video about the root center. Thanks.